Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn Understanding Quadrilaterals Part 2 Introduction video for Class 8 NCERT book. Angle sum property for a regular convex polygon of n sides. What is regular convex polygon? Regular means it must be equiangular and equilateral. That means all the angles in a polygon must be equal and also all the sides of the polygon are equal. That is called regular polygon. Okay, what is convex? Convex means all the interior angles are less than 180 degree. That is called convex polygon. Also, its diagonal lies entirely inside the polygon, not outside, not exterior of the polygon. So this is called regular convex polygon. Now we are going to sum up all the angles of the convex polygon. So how it will be? We will see. The sum of all interior angles of a polygon is called the angle sum. See, suppose if this is a triangle, this is a polygon, right? Sum of all, these are all interior angles. The sum of all interior angle of a polygon is called angle sum. Angle sum means the addition of all the angles of a polygon. Now, angle sum of a polygon, only interior we are considering. The formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree or 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. That means 2n minus 4 right angles. How it is coming? See here. 2n minus 4 is equal to, 2 is common for both the terms. If you take it out, n minus 2, right? So 2 into n minus 2, this 90 degree gives you 180 degree, where n equal to number of sides of the polygon. So formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree or 2n minus 4 right angles. It may come in the 1 mark question or choose the best answer also. It may be look like this or like this. So you need to thorough with these two things, n minus 2 into 180 degree or 2n minus 4 into 90 degree or 2n minus 4 right angles. We will see some examples. A quadrilateral has 4 sides, right? Angle sum of the quadrilateral is equal to, so here n equal to 4, correct? What is the formula? N minus 2 into 180 degree. So 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, because n is 4. Quadrilateral means 4 sides must be there. That is called a quadrilateral. So 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, 2 into 180 degree. So this is 360 degree. So angle sum of a quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Four-sided polygon is 360 degree. Interior angle sum of a quadrilateral. Next, a polygon of pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides, right? If it has 5 sides, angle sum of a pentagon. So what is that? In the place of n, 5, give 5. N means number of sides. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, which is equal to 3 into 180 degree, which is equal to 540 degree. Okay, so 540 degree for angle sum of a pentagon. Next, a triangle has 3 sides. So 3 sides means n is 3, right? So 3 minus 2 into 180 degree, which is equal to 1 into 180 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle sum of a triangle is always 180 degree. Exterior angle of a regular convex polygon. If we produce a side of a polygon, the angle it makes with the next side is called an exterior angle. See, this is a triangle, right? You know very well these are all interior of the polygon. So these are all called interior angles. If you produce means like this. If you extend the lines like this, see here. If we produce a side of a polygon, the angle it made with the next side is called an exterior angle. These are all called exterior angle. Clear? These are all exterior angle. So, the exterior angle and its adjacent angle form a linear pair. Correct only, right? See, this is exterior angle. Its adjacent angle is this angle. This fully forms a linear pair. Linear pair means it is 180 degree always. See this line and this one line. So this angle and this adjacent angle form a linear pair. That means the addition of the angles, this exterior angle and this interior angle is always 180 degree, right? The addition of this exterior and interior is equal to 180 degree. Angle exterior, angle interior, because these two forms a linear pair. Linear pair means what? If there is a straight line and if a line stands over there, the adjacent angles, that means next angles formed are linear pair. Okay, these two angles are linear pair. The addition of these two angles are always 180 degree. The sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. See, this is a pentagon. If we produce a side of a polygon, the angles formed here are called exterior angles. In the exterior angle, always, whether it may be a regular or irregular polygon, the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degree. That's all. It won't exceed this number, 360 degree. Addition of all the exterior angle is 360 degree. Sum of interior angles means only one formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree, which is also equal to n minus 4 right angles, or right angle means 90 degree only. You can write like this also, 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Sum of the exterior angles equal to 360 degree. That means 4 right angles. Other way to write this formula is 4 into 90 degree. This also can be written as n into 180 degree minus sum of interior angles. That's why this formula came. See here, how many sides? If it has n sides means n 180 degrees. 1, here 5 sides, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 180 degree minus sum of all the interior angles will give you the sum of the exterior angle, which is nothing but 360 degree. So exterior angle means if you add all the exterior angle, it will be 360 degree only. For a regular convex polygon of n sides, each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by n. Each means single. See, if this is a triangle, these are all its exterior angle. So, each exterior angle, one thing must be 360 degree divided by n. For example, if this is an equilateral triangle means all the inside angles are 60 degree. So, 360 degree divided by 3, which equals 120 degree. Each exterior angle value is 120 degree. Okay. Now, each interior angle is equal to 180 degree minus each exterior angle or linear pair angle. That's all. Each interior angle means this always forms a linear pair. So, this 180 degree, you can calculate like this also. This is always 180 degree. This full angle is 180 degree. If you minus the exterior angle from 180 degree, you will get each interior angle or linear pair angle. That's all. Otherwise, 2n minus 4 divided by n into 90 degree, n minus 2 by n into 180 degree. Note, for an irregular polygon, each exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus its linear pair. Each interior angle is different. If it is an irregular polygon, each interior angle is different. Next, quadrilateral. Quadri plus latus. Quadri means 4. Latus means sides. Okay. Quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. Types of quadrilaterals. First one, trapezium, kite, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle and square. We will see each one of them one by one. Trapezium, a quadrilateral with a pair of opposite sides parallel. That's all. See, the opposite sides, the length may vary, but it should be parallel. But the other 2 sides are not parallel. That is called trapezium. Just have a clear concept. It is very easy. A pair only if a pair of opposite sides parallel and the other pair of opposite sides are not parallel, means that is called as trapezium. See here, AD is parallel to BC, but AB is not parallel to AB, not parallel to DC, right? Next, isosceles trapezium. Isosceles means two sides equal, right? A trapezium whose non-parallel sides are equal are called isosceles trapezium. See here, AB is parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. These two are non-parallel sides. AC is not parallel to BD, but these two sides, non-parallel sides, are equal. That means AC is equal to BD. This is called isosceles trapezium. Next, kite. We all know about kite, right? If a quadrilateral has two pairs of equal adjacent sides but unequal opposite sides, it is called kite. See, we all know how to make a kite, right? The upper portion, the next adjacent means next sides must be equal. See here, AB is equal to BC, correct? Similarly, here AD is equal to DC. Also, AB, opposite sides are not equal. AB is not equal to CD. Similarly, AD is not equal to BC. This is called kite. It has some properties. It has one pair of equal angles. Yeah, it must have one pair of equal angles, right? Where it will come here only. Equal angles. These two angles must be always equal for a kite. Next, the diagonals are perpendicular to one another. Perpendicular. That means it cuts the two lines at 90 degree. These two lines gets cut each other, intersect each other at 90 degree. Perpendicular. Next, the diagonals bisect each other and not of same length. Obviously, these two are not of same length. This is called a diagonal. These two are of not same length. This is all about kite. Next, parallelogram. A quadrilateral with the opposite sides parallel. That means two opposite sides parallel and equal to each other is called a parallelogram. See, in trapezium, a pair of opposite sides are equal. A pair of opposite sides are parallel. But in parallelogram, all the opposite sides, not a pair, the two opposite sides are parallel and additionally it must be equal to each other, right? The diagonals of a parallelogram are not equal. These diagonals are not equal. Have it in mind. This length is not equal to this length. Properties. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal means angle A equal to angle C. Angle A equal to angle C. Similarly, angle D is equal to angle B. Angle D is equal to angle B. Next, opposite sides are equal and parallel. See here. AB parallel to DC. Also, AB is equal to DC. AB, DC. Similarly, AD, BC. Both parallel and equal. AD parallel to BC and AD is also equal to BC. Next, diagonals bisect each other. That means AC bisect BD. AC bisects BD. Next, adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles means next angles. D and C are supplementary. Supplementary means if you add these two angles, it will give you 180 degree. Adjacent angles are supplementary means this angle D and angle C are adjacent angles. Similarly, C and B, angle C and B are supplementary, B and A are supplementary, A and D are supplementary. Supplementary means if you add these two angles, it will give you 180 degree. For example, angle D and C, angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle CB. Angle C plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Here, BAB. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Similarly, AD. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles are supplementary. It's very necessary to know all the properties of each and every quadrilaterals. Diagonals, divide it into two congruent triangles. See, congruent triangle means equal. ABD, two triangles. If you look at this ABD is congruent to BCD. That means both are equal in size, sides, angles, everything. ABD. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BCD. ADC is congruent to ABC. Triangle ADC is congruent to triangle ABC. Using two diagonals, we can have a pair of congruent triangles in the parallelogram. Next comes rhombus. It is like a diamond shape, right? A parallelogram having all sides equal. The diagonals bisect each other at right angles. See, all sides equal. You may have a doubt. All sides are equal means it must be a square, but no need. All sides are equal with all the angles are 90 degree only, it is a square. If all the angles are different means it must be a rhombus. The diagonals bisect each other at right angles. The diagonals may not be necessarily equal. No need to be equal always, right? Next, the opposite angles of a rhombus are equal to each other. Opposite angles, see here. This opposite angles are always equal. Similarly, these two angles, opposite angles are equal. The adjacent angles are supplementary. Like we have seen in parallelogram, adjacent angles. That means this and this angle. If you add these two, it gives you 180 degree. These two angles, addition of these two angles, addition of these two angles, addition of these two angles will give you 180 degree. That is called as supplementary angle. The adjacent angles are supplementary. So this is all about rhombus. Next, rectangle. We all know very well about rectangle, right? A parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle. Each angle. All the angles are right angle. Also, the opposite sides are equal, parallel and equal. Opposite sides, AB. This AB is equal to DC. Similarly, AD is equal to BC. This is another important thing. The diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. Okay. Next, square. Finally, square. A parallelogram in which all the sides are equal and each angle measures 90 degree. Right angle. All the angles formed in the corners are 90 degree. The diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. This also bisect each other at right angles. Also, one important note is there. All squares are rhombus. Why? It possesses the property of rhombuses. As all sides of a square are equal or of equal length, all squares are rhombuses. But every rhombus is not a square. Why? Only opposite angles are equal. Not all the angles are equal. If all the angles are equal, then only equal and also 90 degree, then only it is a square. So every rhombus is not a square. This is also a very important question. So with this, understanding quadrilaterals introduction video gets over. If you like this video, do subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in my next video, Understanding Quadrilaterals, Chapter 3, Exercise 3.1. Thank you.